All right, so after checking out the Panasonic HC-X2100, I can honestly say this camera knows exactly who it's made for. At around $2,200, this is clearly aimed at event shooters, journalists, and corporate videographers who need reliability over flashy cinema features. First off, the battery life is seriously impressive. You can record for over 4 hours on a single charge, which is huge for weddings, conferences, or long interviews. You also get a sharp 24 times optical zoom, and honestly, that's one of the best things about this camera. You can go from wide-room shots to tight close-ups without changing lenses. Another big plus is the Pro setup. Dual XLR audio inputs, SDI output, dual SD card slots, and built-in stabilization make this feel like a true workhorse for professional jobs. But it's not perfect. The small sensor struggles in low light, so nighttime shooting can get pretty grainy. And if you're chasing that blurry background cinematic look, this probably isn't the camera for you. It also skips advanced color profiles like Vlog, so heavy color grading isn't really its strength. So, is it worth your money? If you need a dependable portable camcorder for events, live production, or run-and-gun shooting, absolutely. But if you're more into cinematic content creation or low-light filmmaking, a mirrorless camera might be the better move. And that's the Panasonic HC-X2100 in a nutshell.